everyone, I'm Kay Johnson and I'm a Myprotein PT. And today we are going to talk about if you can build muscle with only body weight. So no equipment, no machines, just you. Or maybe some stuff around the house, like a chair or tins of food. Let's get started. The answer is yes if you use the following principles. Increase reps, decrease rest time, perform variations, train to failure, or increase time under tension. You will build muscle over time. I would say start to introduce these changes if you feel your workouts are getting easier or you haven't noticed any changes to your body. Bodyweight exercises are movements that only use your body and your weight as a resistance. And the way you can build muscle is increasing how challenging these movements are. With bodyweight training, you'll be able to gain muscle by toning and becoming more defined. But you wouldn't be able to gain extreme muscle like a bodybuilder, as there is a lack of progressive overload on your muscle, and you only have physical body weight to work with. If you can't afford the gym or want a quick workout at home, and you don't have a lot of space to complete this, HIIT workouts or a quick bodyweight ab session is perfect. This kind of working out is suitable for all levels of fitness. If you're a complete beginner and wanted to start your fitness, then bodyweight training is a perfect starting point and will reduce any injury. But also, if you're an advanced trainer, you can increase the levels of intensity with the exercises and really push yourselves to your limits. For example, if you're a beginner, you could start with a half burpee and then advance to a full chest to floor burpee. For beginners, if you start to 2 to 3 workouts per week, around 30 minutes at a time, and then build up to around 3 to 5 workouts a week, increasing the time frame to around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Bodyweight training is a cheaper option. It costs nothing to use your body as a resistance, and you just need a little bit of space anywhere, at home, in the garden, or at the gym, or even on holiday to perform these types of training. Plus, during lockdown 2020, most people didn't have access to the gym and had to rely on bodyweight workouts. And of course, sometimes you might not even want to go to the gym. So here are some examples of household items that you could use. A dining room chair or stool for tricep dips or push-ups, 1.5 litre bottle for squats, and detergent bottle for Arnold press. Or just get creative with anything you can find in the house. In summary, as long as over time you are increasing reps, decreasing rest time, performing variations and training to failure, then you will be able to build muscle. So what do you think? Are you going to try detergent bottles or dining room chairs to work out? If you have any questions, stick them in the comments section and remember to like and subscribe to the Myprotein YouTube channel.